Alrighty, so this is kind of a perfect example of things that not necessarily we expect you guys to move, but that if you're wanting to move stuff, these are the things we want to point out. So in this room, the only big kind of fixed piece of furniture is the sectional. Obviously, don't move that. If you want us to, we'd be glad to. You would be charged the platinum package of 95 cents a square foot. Everything else, like these little bean bags and little kid couches, all the little kid toys in this corner, those are stuff that, again, you don't have to move. It's just if we're doing the silver package, we're probably going to clean around them. If you just take 10 minutes before we arrive on site, just said I'm going to have to get them out of the room. For this room, I would suggest, putting them on these little mattresses over here, or just getting it all into one corner. It doesn't get walked on, doesn't have any stains on it, and it's basically new just because it's not in a highly trafficked area. That way we can clean the most we can clean for you, especially if you're trying to penny pinch and not spend a lot of money. That's one way to save some money as well, as just prep before we get there. Alrighty, so right here, I'm not quite sure what it is. It's a little blue spot, and it's actually sticky, so it almost feels like gum or some glue. I've pre-treated it with our pre-spray chemical. What I'm also going to do now is just hit it with a little dab of a degreaser that we use. What that's going to do is kind of deactivate the stickiness, where hopefully once I get the hot water on it, it'll just kind of melt it right off and come right up. So you can see it's breaking that glue up now. And then the hot water should melt the rest of it. And I'm going to hit it one more time.